Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Willys in Hell Yeah Metallic. With LED headlamp and fog lamp group, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black 3-piece hardtop, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, remote start system, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0 liter turbocharged engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7131.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.